Major news from the Supreme Court on Roe versus Wade, the challenge to a Mississippi law on abortion, and why what we heard from justices today is now putting Roe v. Wade in doubt. ABC's Terry Moran, who has covered the court for years, with the audio tonight, what the justices said today in this case.
At the Supreme Court today, the first signs that Roe versus Wade's days may be numbered. Outside the court, protesters gathered, while inside, the justices heard arguments on that Mississippi law that bans most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy, no exceptions for rape or incest. Roe versus Wade established a woman's constitutional right to have an abortion, and if the court upholds the Mississippi law, it would undermine or overrule Roe altogether. Today, it seemed clear the conservative justices are ready to do exactly that. Chief Justice John Roberts zeroing in on a key issue, viability. Right now, Roe and other cases prohibit states from banning abortion before viability, about 24 weeks. Roberts saying Mississippi's ban on abortions after 15 weeks gives women plenty of time to choose.
Viability, it seems to me, doesn't have anything to do with choice. But if it really is an issue about choice, why is 15 weeks not enough time?
Justice Brett Kavanaugh suggested the states or Congress and not the Supreme Court should be the final arbiters.
Why should this court be the arbiter rather than Congress, the state legislatures, state Supreme Courts, the people being able to resolve this? And there'll be different answers in Mississippi and New York.
Making the case for the Biden administration, Solicitor General Elizabeth Prelogar said that would set women's rights in America back decades.
For a half century, this court has correctly recognized that the Constitution protects a woman's fundamental right to decide whether to end a pregnancy before viability.
Justice Sonia Sotomayor, with the two other liberals on the court, warned of dire consequences if Roe is overturned or gutted.
Will this institution survive the stench that this creates in the public perception that the Constitution and its reading are just political acts? I don't see how it is possible.
A ruling in this case expected at the end of the court's term next summer, when most of the big cases are handed down. And you could hear the conservatives aiming high today. They were discussing not so much whether to overturn or gut Roe versus Wade, but how to do it. David?
All right, Terry Moran back at the court for us tonight. Terry, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.